Marketing moment.
Sorry about that. I did not mean
It's a
to
little
make this
distracting. What's our topic?
Today we're talking about how much time you should spend on social media. This is more for businesses that don't really get the majority of their leads from social media. This is for the businesses that are like, I sell roofs, but like I know I need to be on social media. Like, how long should I spend on how much time each week?
Exactly.
This is for you.
And the quick and easy answer, we tell our clients and our coaching clients 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Just enough time to like check in, respond if somebody has commented on one of your posts or interact with someone.
Yeah, be active. It's like, the social media rule. It's like jab, jab, punch. You don't want to just go on there and publish your own stuff. You want to like gently, you want to have top of mind awareness by liking their stuff, commenting on their stuff. You can comment on other businesses' things. You can comment on your, whoever's feed you can see in your profile, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, exactly. You got to be social. You can't just, you don't want to be the guy that only talks.
Yeah, and when you are posting, very quickly, that jab, jab, punch, that means like share something that's useful, and then promote yourself. So you can't just constantly be making it about yourself. You can't be a narcissist. Don't do it.
Exactly.
And that's your marketing moment.